Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Tonight, I want to share something personal how minimalism helped me find myself again. For a long time, I thought happiness meant having more clothes, more plans, more success, more everything. But the truth was, the more I tried to fill my life, the emptier I felt inside. Minimalism changed that for me, not overnight, but slowly, gently. It taught me how to let go, to breathe again, and to finally reconnect with who I really am. Before minimalism, my life was full, but not in a good way. My space was cluttered, my mind was cluttered, and my schedule was always packed. Every corner of my home was filled with things I thought I needed, clothes I never wore, gadgets I barely used, sentimental items I felt guilty throwing away. But deep down, it wasn't about the stuff. It was about the noise I surrounded myself with to avoid facing the emptiness I felt. I was always busy, but not truly living. Always chasing, but never arriving. Always saying yes to everything because I thought slowing down meant falling behind. But what I didn't realize was that I had already lost something far more important, my peace. One day, I just got tired. Tired of cleaning things I didn't even love. Tired of spending on things that didn't bring me joy. Tired of feeling like life was running me instead of the other way around. It wasn't a dramatic decision, it was more like a quiet realization. I looked around my room and thought, this isn't me. None of this feels like me anymore. So I started small. One drawer, one shelf, one decision at a time. Every time I let go of something, I felt lighter. Every space I cleared created a little more room to breathe, not just in my home, but in my heart. Minimalism isn't just about cleaning your house, it's about facing your emotions, the guilt, the fear, the attachments. I remember holding onto old gifts, clothes from a past version of myself, even items that reminded me of people who were no longer in my life. Letting go felt like betrayal at first. But then I realized those things were holding on to parts of me I had already outgrown. When I finally released them, I felt free. It wasn't about losing, it was about making space for who I was becoming. As the clutter disappeared, something beautiful happened. I started hearing myself again. I noticed the small things, the sound of rain, the warmth of morning coffee, the peace of a quiet night. I began to write more, reflect more, and appreciate simple routines. I realized I didn't need much to feel content. What I truly needed was clarity, to know what matters to me and what doesn't. Minimalism gave me that clarity. It helped me recognize the difference between what adds value and what simply adds noise. It taught me that less isn't lack, it's space for what truly matters. And in that space, I found myself again. Not the person society wanted me to be, not the version I pretended to be online, but the calm, quiet me that was always there, waiting beneath the noise. Today, my life isn't perfectly minimal. I still own things. I still shop sometimes. I still get messy. But the difference is, now I'm intentional. Every item I keep has a purpose or brings joy. Every yes I give comes from peace, not pressure. And every moment of silence feels like a gift, not an emptiness to escape. Minimalism didn't change who I am. It simply removed what I'm not, so I could see myself clearly again. If you're feeling lost, overwhelmed, or disconnected, maybe you don't need to add more to your life. Maybe you just need to start letting go. Minimalism isn't about perfection, it's about peace. And peace begins the moment you stop chasing more and start embracing enough. Thank you so much for listening. If this message resonated with you, please give this video a like and share it with someone who might need a little calm today. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more gentle reminders about living simply and intentionally. Until next time, take care and keep creating space for what truly matters.